Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and this video is gonna be about no code. So let's get right into the video. No code refers to a software development approach that allows users to create applications and automate processes without writing traditional code. It provides a visual interface and pre-built components that enables individuals with little to no programming knowledge to build functional applications. No-code tools typically use drag and drop functionality, logic builders, and predefined templates to simplify the development process. Using no-code platforms on a daily basis can offer several benefits and opportunities for individuals like rapid prototyping, workflow automation, custom solutions, learning opportunities, time and cost savings, empowering non-technical users, and many more. Remember, while no-code platforms provide powerful tools, they may have limitations compared to traditional coding. It is important to evaluate your requirements and consider when traditional development approaches might be more suitable. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.